Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $16,635. 24-hour volume, we're up 16%, and market cap, we are down 0.78%. Heading over to our daily chart here, we can see that the price for Bitcoin got rejected here on our 50 moving average. So we can see that the green candle's coming up, followed by this red candlestick itself, huge selling pressure, and price itself is coming down to an area of support. So we are going to be retesting this area of support. And if we do find that Bitcoin does break through this support area, the next area that we're technically taking a look at is this support here on December 17th as low as 16,200. So you can see here again on December 19th, this was an area of support. And if we're taking a look at even a further support, if Bitcoin does drop significantly, our next fib retracement here at 127% at $16,084. So here already we can see the candlestick wick. We can see that the price itself is closer to the body and may open the body even furthermore for surges of huge selling potential. We can see here on our candlestick wicks on November 18th and November 17th coming down to an area of this support here. So let's deep dive into a 4-hour time frame, and I'm going to show you something in a 2-hour time frame, so stay tuned. So going into a 4-hour time frame here, we can see that the Bollinger Bands are expanding after the breakout in a downtrend. So you'll notice that the Bollinger Bands were narrowing, meaning lower volatility. It was amping up for a breakout, and where we saw that breakout essentially was a downtrend. So we can see our 20 moving average, which is this yellow line here. Essentially, if we wanted to have a breakout in an uptrend, we needed to continuously make closing candlesticks above the 20 moving average as these Bollinger Bands expanded. So we can see the expansion right here. We closed below the 20 MA. The breakout was confirmed on a downtrend, and we can see ever since the breakout, the candlesticks have been hugging the bottom of the Bollinger Band. So it is considered as oversold here and a buying opportunity, or the price itself may correct and have a nice pullback. Now, what we can see here is we've got a green candle followed by a spinning top candlestick in exhaustion of this downtrend. We saw the candlestick wick up here retest the 20 MA, but again, the body was found mainly at the bottom. So in exhaustion of this uptrend, we see the downtrend here. Now, a few factors in our 4-hour time frame is that we may go into a second wave of this bear current of our MACD indicator. So here we can see our red candlesticks getting heavy. Normally when we see this white getting lighter in the color, it would signal that the trend may be over, but we see this red candle here, or this red bar, signifying that the trend itself is getting stronger here. We can see that this lighter red bar is bigger than the previous one, so we may see more downtrend coming in as well. Even though we are considered as oversold here, we may see price coming down to an area of support and then consolidating sideways. So basically the price will be coming down to support, resistance, support, resistance. I'm gonna head over to the 2-hour time frame and show you guys here that we're going to see a continuation pattern of a bearish divergence. So this is a hidden continuation divergence, and what a divergence is essentially using the price points on the charts with the RSI, and this will give us hints if the price is going to either reverse or it's going to have a continuation of the current trend. So we can see here the current trend is already a bear trend because we are below multiple moving averages coming down to an area of support at 38% of our fib. Now, the divergence that we're taking a look at is we are taking a look at our RSI divergence all the way at this peak here. So we can see the RSI was at 44%, price action was down here. We can see that the RSI climbed from this peak here at 12% to 44%. However, what we see on the charts is completely different from what we see on the RSI. So we can see that the RSI was increasing. However, we saw the price point decreasing. And with these two combined with the RSI and the price and the direction that they're going is a continuation hidden bearish divergence. So what that basically means from gathering this information is, again, we've already determined the trend, which is a bear trend. The continuation, again, is going to be a continuation of this bear trend. So we may see price come up to an area of resistance because we can see that the RSI is coming up. We can see the MACD indicator is getting lighter in the momentum. So we're going to anticipate the price itself is going to come up, hit an area of resistance, possibly at 50% of our fib, and then continue downwards. We can already see here on a 2-hour time frame, we are looking like we're going into a parallel channel here. So if we take a look at this and compare or put this on our chart here, we can see already we're pinning up areas of our trend line. So coming down to an area of support, resistance, ultimately support. But if we are going to come up, we can see that it is interacting with the 50% of our fib at 16,651, and possibly again a continuation of this channel coming down to this area of support at 16,400. So that's kind of my observations I wanted to share with you for Bitcoin in 3 different time frames. Definitely let me know if you enjoyed the video down below in the comments. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you next time.